wabarakatuh, and have a nice day to Prof. Nazli. Today, I'm going to review the case ZSCHIMMER and SCHWARZ GMBH and Company KG Chemical Factories versus persons unknown and another. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is NURUL Hanis binti MOHD. My metric number is 066154. First and foremost, I will proceed to the case name, citation, and court. The name of the case is ZSCHIMMER and SCHWARZ GmbH and Company KG CHEMISCHE FABRIKEN versus persons unknown and another. In addition, the citation for this case was reported on 22 December 2020 in Malaysian Current Law Journal on page 446 in this journal and volume 4. Then, this case was also held at High Court Malaya, Kuala Lumpur by Ong Chi Kuan, who is the Judiciary Committee. Next, I will go to the summary of the key facts in this case. The key facts for this case are the plaintiff, ZSCHIMMER and SCHWARZ, a German maker of specialty chemical goods, fell victim to an international cybercrime known as push payment fraud, in which the victim is duped via emails into sending money. This company brought a complaint against person unknown who had accessed their computer system and taken private data. To stop the material from being made publicly available, the hackers wanted a hostage. The plaintiff had a contract with Forwards, which is a representative business in South Korea, under which Forwards would market the plaintiff's goods and the plaintiff would pay Forwards a commission based on sales. The first defendant was an individual or group of individuals who had access to the email correspondence between the plaintiff and Forwards and had taken part in the scheme to trick the plaintiff into paying the commission to the second defendant, Muhammad Azwan, the owner of the sole proprietorship of Premier Outlook Service, who goes by the name CIMB that has a bank account in Malaysia. Furthermore, I will go to the next part, which is issue presented by the case. The issue presented in this case are: number 1, it is the plaintiff who was tricked into depositing funds into the second defendant in the name of Premier Outlook CIMB account, believing that they were paying the legitimate Forwards. Number 2, was it argued in this case that the defendant's activities violated the claimant's intellectual property rights, breached a contract, and violated confidentiality. Besides, we move to the court resolution of the issue. In this instance, ZSCHIMMER and SCHWARZ GmbH and Company KG CHEMISCHE FABRIKEN won the judgment. The court issued an order against person unknown who had breached their computer system and taken private information, banning them from disclosing the taken information and requiring them to destroy it. The defendants were forbidden from transferring or disposing of any of the money they received as part of the ransom payment by the court, which also issued a freezing order. As for the last part, we go to a summary of the court's reasoning justifying the holding. In my opinion, this case served as a warning and message about the growing danger of cybercrime and the need for business to take precaution to safeguard sensitive data from attacks. Companies nowadays must increase cyber security that needs to become a routine part of doing business as manufacturing becomes more and more digital. It can be disastrous if sensitive data such as personal records, consumer transactions, or proprietary data is compromised. The use of a person's unknown injunction also demonstrates how adaptable the English legal system is, allowing claimants to pursue redress against people whose actions are harming them but who have not yet been identified. That's all from me. Thank you.